Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix login failed in DeepL. So actually guys, first you will need to check the basics first, okay? So you'll need to make sure that your email and password are correct and you're using the actual account that you signed up with on DeepL. Also you'll need to turn the Wi-Fi off, then on or switch to mobile data maybe, and restart your phone. That's, as I told you, it sounds simple, but this fixes a lot of login errors and we call it a quick fixes, okay? Also guys, I really want you to reset your password, so if login keeps failing you will need just open DeepL login page on the app. So let me just sign out just to show you. So here you will need to tap on login on the account section, okay? So it's the second option, and here you will need to go with forgot password, okay? So it's under the login tab. So just tap it and then enter your email, and afterward you will need to check your inbox and reset. So sometimes accounts get locked temporarily after failed attempts. And also guys, I really want to check for an update for the app. Why not go ahead, tap on the Apple App Store or Google Play Store if you're on Android, and just look for DeepL, okay? Go ahead, find the app, tap it, and tap on updates if available, right? And also guys, you will need to check the VPN and proxy, so DeepL may block logins if you're using a VPN or your IP looks suspicious, okay? So just turn off the VPN and try again. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.